Well, before we wrap, let's just quickly run you through some of the events to watch out for tomorrow. Upasana is here with that list. Upasana, over to you.
First up, let me start with the global economic cues. In US, mind you that the FOMC meeting is scheduled to be held today and tomorrow, and the interest rate decision will be out tomorrow. US will be also reporting its crude oil inventory data. Now, Japan will be also reporting its interest rate decision tomorrow, along with trade balance data for the month of Feb. Europe will be reporting its CPI data on a one-year basis for the month of Feb, hence we'll be watching out for this as well. Now let us look at the key stocks that will be in focus on the back of corporate action scheduled for tomorrow. Now stocks like Tata Motors, IOB, NHPC, Dhanlaxmi Bank will be in focus as all these companies' board meeting is scheduled for fundraising. Tata Motors will consider an approved NCDs aggregating up to 2,000 crores. IOB will consider fundraising by way of long-term infrastructure bonds, and NHPC will consider an approved borrowing plan for raising of debt for FY 25-26. Now, Power Finance will also be in focus as this stock goes ex-dividend tomorrow. And lastly, Midhani will also be in focus as the board meeting is scheduled to consider interim dividend for FY 24, FY 25. Hence, these are the top list of events that we'll be tracking for tomorrow.
Central bank action, though, will dominate all the headlines. Thank you very much for joining in with that. It brings us to a close in this edition of Markets Forward. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back with more news and updates.